Well, hello everyone. I'm Tom from Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona, California. One thing that slows down car repairs? Delays in getting parts. At Arts, we know you need your car back fast, and we work hard to source parts quickly for timely repairs. Let me share a story about Anita, a teacher who came to us recently. Her 2016 Volkswagen Passat had a damaged front bumper from a fender bender. Anita was concerned about parts delays, having waited weeks at another shop before. We reached out to our trusted suppliers, secured her bumper in record time, and restored her Passat to factory condition. Anita said, "Arts got the parts so fast, my car was fixed before I knew it." Our secret? Strong supplier relationships and proactive planning to keep parts flowing. From minor dings to collision repairs, our Pomona team ensures your repair isn't held up by delays, all while delivering top-quality work. At Arts Auto Body and Paint, we're dedicated to fast, reliable repairs. Ready for a shop that keeps parts delays at bay? Visit us or call for a free estimate today. Don't let parts delays hold you back. As Art likes to say, quality isn't expensive, it's priceless. And at Arts, you'll find it's never expensive, but always priceless. Contact Arts Auto Body at 909-620-5464 or visit artsautobodyandpaint.com to schedule your free estimate. Arts Auto Body and Paint. Quick parts, quality repairs. To the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started.